So hi guys, welcome to our new mini vlog. So today I saw a reel. They were making alkaline water and they were saying that it is good for our health. So I decided to share this recipe with you and make it for my mama. Let's start. I take this container because I don't have other container. You can take water bottle or glass, anything. So let's make it. So guys, these are some ingredients we have to put in water. This is mint leaf, cucumber, lemon and ginger. You can put any vegetable, anything you want to put. So let us put. Now cucumber. Now some lemons. Now little bit of ginger. So guys, add some water and leave it overnight. So it is full of water. Now I have wrapped it. So we will check it in the morning. So let's go. Bye guys. So guys, I forgot to put something. Guess what? This I forgot to put beetroot. Let us put. Guys, like a color is coming little you can see. So cheers guys. Guys, let mixing. You can see guys, color is coming. How pink.
A few moments later.
So hi guys, welcome to our second part of alkaline water. As you know, we made alkaline water yesterday. So let us see. And don't judge me, I am in my school clothes. Sorry guys. So it is looking pretty. You can see how shine. Let us. Oh guys, it is ready. So guys, I think it is ready. तो चलो मम्मा के लिए डालते हैं. First of all, mixing. Guys, let us put. This is my coffee. Guys, one cucumber आया, sorry. So guys, you can see how pretty it is looking. So you can also try this recipe. It is too good for our health. So first of all, let us give to Mama. You can see guys how pretty it is looking.